look at a second problem. All right, so example 2, we have a triangle that we only know the sides and we need to solve the angles. So the good candidate formula for this one, for solving this problem, would be the second equation. So the second equation is what we're going to be using here. So let me go ahead and copy and paste that and go from there. All right, so I copied and pasted that equation, and we are going to solve for angle A. Since that's already made for us. It's already set out for us to solve for from the equation. So let's go ahead and do that. So A then equals. We can now solve. Just plug in numbers before using our calculator. So A is 15 squared minus B, which is lowercase b, is 9. So it's always, if this angle is B, always the side opposite of that angle is B, not the adjacent sides. Same for A. This is angle A. This side will be A because it's opposite of that angle. So then B is 9. Then we square it minus C. We know that is 7 and squared over negative 2. BC is 9 times 7. 9, 7. All right, so we can now approximate a number using our calculator. So let's use our calculator. All right, so let's bring our calculator over here. I'm gonna do it in chunks here. 15 squared minus 9 squared minus 7 squared divided by negative 2 and then 9 times 7. So this number is negative 0.7539, and then second cosine of this number, see what we get. Hopefully we get a positive. We get 138 degrees 0.93. 138.93. Let me make sure that is the correct rounding. It's 9.4 because we round up. 9352 rounds up to 9.4. So 9.4, that's angle A. So from here we can use law of sines. So sine of A, sine of, I'm just going to use plug in numbers right away. 138.94, and then we said side A is 15. This equals sine of B over side of B is B side is 9. So then B equals inverse sine of sine 138.94 times 9. This is cross multiplying like that. And then this is all divided by 15. And we took the inverse sine because sine of B equals that. All right, so using our calculator now, we can say B is, let's see what we get. It's our calculator. I'm going to do it in chunks again. Sine 138. Actually, yeah, this sine of this number, close parentheses, times 9. And let's go in the beginning of the, and do an insert like that. So this is divided by 15, and then take the inverse sine, and we get B is 23.21. 23.21 degrees. All right, so lastly, we need to solve for angle C. So measure angle C equals 180 minus, A was 138.94. Let's make sure. Yes, 138.94 plus 23.21. So this is an approximation now, and let's see what we get. 180 minus, it doesn't matter. We can add addition is commutative, so it doesn't matter what order we have the B and A, since we're solving for C. And then if we can enter that one, so C, measure of angle C, is approximately 17.85. All right, so that is example 2 of this lecture. In the second part of this video, in the second video of this section, we will be looking at this example here, this application problem using law of cosines, and then we will also look at another application of law of cosines, the Bermuda Triangle. It's a geography problem, and I love geography. All right, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.